Okay, so I'm back in Ukraine finally, after 7 months of waiting on Corona and getting the right way to travel. But this is the parking garage here at Avalon Zelena. The lights are motion censored, but you can see it's pretty good. You know, there's some technical issues I think with the garage door opener. I'm not sure. I think they solved it, but it doesn't look entirely occupied. Mine is number 9. This is my parking space. So it looks like you can put a pretty good sized car in here. It's like European size. Norwegian parking spaces are much smaller. It looks like you could fit a full-size SUV, like a Suburban or something, Chevy Suburban. But there's a access door here, and then there's a garage on both sides. So I'll go over here and show you the garage. We'll go take a look. Yeah. I was checking out the apartments today, but I didn't want to film with all the workers there, if they get camera shy or something, or want to be hams for the camera, so I wanted them to stay focused. Okay, so here we have an electric car spot there. There's an electric charger. And then, we're going here. This up. Here we go. Yeah, there's the other garage door. So yeah, it's a lot of space down there. Looks like this one is for sale or rent. I'm not sure what that sign means. I think it's for sale. But it's still, there's some work has to be done here. We have some, hanging wires and things like that, but we'll be okay. Thank you.